What's up YouTube? I've got some interesting news about the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra that I'm really excited to share with you guys. We're also going to talk about an increased durability feature on the S22 Ultra and a more accurate European pricing of the S22 series. So recently, an exclusive leak from ZTechCare told us the Galaxy S22 Ultra is gonna have a more natural S-Pen experience. Samsung is gonna improve the S-Pen latency from 9 milliseconds to 2.8 milliseconds, which is 3 times faster than the Note 20 Ultra and the Tab S7 series. Ice Universe confirmed this information and said the feature is not gonna be available to just the S22 Ultra, but will also be available to the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. So the Tab S8 Ultra will also offer the supernatural S-Pen experience, and I think it's gonna be even better on the Tab because of the much larger display. Artists are definitely gonna benefit from this experience, and it's gonna improve the overall S-Pen experience on the tablet. But there's no information if this feature is gonna be exclusive to the Tab S8 Ultra or if it's also gonna be available to the other Tab S8 series, including the Tab S8 and the Tab S8 Plus. According to a new leak, the S22 Ultra is gonna have a superior glass protection on its camera lens. Samsung is gonna use what it calls super clear glass to protect the camera lens on the S22 Ultra. The glass is basically the Gorilla Glass DX, and this isn't the first time it's gonna be used by Samsung. It was previously used on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. The Gorilla Glass DX was specifically designed to protect the camera lens on smartphones. So while offering the toughness of Gorilla Glass, it's also going to provide anti-reflective optics and scratch resistance. The leak only mentions the main 108 megapixel sensor, but I think Samsung is going to use it on all 4 sensors because it doesn't make sense to protect just the main sensor and ignore the other sensors. We also have a more realistic European pricing of the S22 series from Anthony. According to these prices, the S22 is going to start at €899, the S22 Plus at $1099, and the S22 Ultra at $1299. If this pricing is correct, then it's gonna be €50 more expensive than the S21 series, which doesn't really make much sense because there isn't a reason to increase the prices over the S21 series except on the S22 Ultra. For the US pricing, we can just do a direct currency change like Samsung always does. So we can expect it to be $899 for the S22, $1099 for the S22 Plus, and $1299 for the S22 Ultra. That's about a $100 increase for each variant, which is too much in my opinion. Anyway, what do you think about the prices? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.